Hello friends, in previous video we have discussed about user defined functions. For that we have created a myfun function. That function creates a pop-up which says hello friends, and now in this video we will learn about types of variables. So basically we have two types of variable. First is global and second is local. Both variables are declared by using var keyword, but variable declared inside a function are called local variable as they can be accessed within the function, but global variables are declared outside any function, so it can be accessed by anyone, whether normally we are printing the value or using variable in a function. And the biggest difference in local and global variable is determined by their names. That variable that are created for a local or specific use in a function cannot be used by any other function, but global variables can be used globally, which means whenever we want to use them in a program, whether in a function or outside a function, we can use them. So let's create a file and start coding and learn how to use them. So I have already created a file named as types of var, and that file contains only HTML text for now. And now I am declaring a variable named as var a, which contains a value I am a global variable, and I am also declaring a function, so I am using function keyword, and my function name will be again myfun, and this function will contain a variable b, which holds a value I am a local variable. So now I am calling this function up, and now I am printing both a global variable and the local variable. So first I am printing global variable and then the local variable also. So variable b is our local variable and a is our global variable. Saving this file and opening the folder where we have saved our file name is types of var, and opening the file and closing the file. I am a global variable. That means I am a global variable. That means only var a is printed outside the function, because variable a is our global variable, but b is our local variable, so it is not printed outside the function. But let's try to print them within a function. So let's see what happens when we print both local and global variable inside a function. So again coming on this and refreshing this, so it says I am a global variable, I am a local variable. That means our variable a is printed and then variable b is also printed, but when we put variable a and variable b outside the function, only variable a will be printed on the browser but not the variable b, and that demonstrates that a local variable is not available or cannot be printed outside the function, but a global variable can be used outside and inside a function. So that's all for this video, and keep watching, learn and code, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.